Well, welcome to the back hills of Tennessee. We have here an old hybrid Camry that's been sitting here obviously for a while because the owner ran the engine to where it blew up. I don't know, I think it threw a rod or something, but the battery in it is actually fairly newly redone. So the owners does not want to get rid of it yet because they think there's still some value in it. I think it's a 2008 Camry Hybrid, so it still has some life left in it to some degree, but only if you replace the engine. It has over 200,000 miles, and what kind of value do you think this would have overall that you would say, yes, the owner should keep it? Or would you say, get rid of it, sell it for scrap, and whatever you need to sell the battery for to get some value out of that, since it's a fairly new battery? I'm thinking scrap it. But you let me know in the comments what you think should happen to this Camry that has seen its better days.